shooting the army things with all of our Nerf bullets. So my mom has one, and let's do it.
I'm not your mom.
Here you are.
I'm your big sister. I didn't even get one.
Come on.
Why?
You suck. Oh, let's go. I got 2 points for me. That's 2 points for you. You have to make sure you count your points. So I only have 2. Make sure you count how many points you have.
Okay.
Don't miss this.
They're not easy to get.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna see how much we get. Oh, I just missed. Just missed. Come on. Just missed.
Oh, 4. I got it.
Can I play?
You can do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know how to
Yeah. What do I have to do?
shoot them in?
So, how many points did you have? And Reese can replace
I
for
have
you?
4.
So now it's 4? Just missed.
Here.
Oh! I still only have 2.
It's not.
Why isn't it going? Because it's not pushed all the way in. You gotta shoot it fast. That's why I said. Reese, you gotta shoot it faster. You're not shooting it fast. Just get a different one. I only have 4. Oh, come on. I'm trying to get the top one. I might have to get reload. Come on. Oh! I'm almost out of bullets.
Aim low.
Oh! 6 points for Reese. And I still only have 2. I'm gonna lose. Hopefully not. Hopefully not.
Are you wanting this to be recorded the whole time?
Oh, not cool.
It's gonna be pretty long.
Mom, are you gonna go in? Well, not until all of them go down.
Well, yeah, that's what I mean. It's gonna take some time.
Not for all of them.
Oh!
Let's go!
That's what I was.
5 points. Get some bullets. Shoot me. I have 4. I have 4 points. How do you have 6 points and I only have 4?
Because I got